Number 5. The Legend of the Jinn. The jinns are part of a legend popularly known in parts of the Arab world. Not much is known about the jinn, apart from the fact that they are spirits who are inherently neither good nor bad. They are also known to be shape-shifting spirits who can take the shape of any human or sometimes even animals. Just like any other legend, there has been considerable debate around the existence of jinns. However, the legend has passed the test of time and there are still many believers about the existence of the jinn. According to the Wikipedia article, sleep paralysis is conceptualized as jinn attack by many people in Egypt. Whatever might be the case, the legend is scary enough to creep anyone out. Number 4. Chupacabra. The name Chupacabra translates to goat sucker. This creature was first reported to be seen in 1995 around Puerto Rico. It was particularly known to attack and drink blood of the livestock, mostly goats. The physical appearance of this creature varies in different reports, but most of them do agree that it is roughly the size of a small bear. Many of the reported sightings are recorded mostly in the South America and in some cases in North America too. The animals who become its victims usually have puncture wounds mainly around the chest area and were always drained of their blood. However, the scientific community doesn't validate the existence of chupacabras. As per them, most of the sightings are complete hoaxes or are cases of misidentification of any other similar mammal found in the area. Moreover, there is no concrete evidence proving its existence. Hence, many believe the existence of chupacabra to be nothing more than an urban legend. Number 3. The Loch Ness Monster. The Loch Ness Monster is a part of the Scottish folklore known to be seen in the Loch Ness in the Scottish Highlands. Many of the sightings of this monster report a long trunk-like part coming out of the water, with some sightings also mentioning humps on his body. The exact origin of this creature is not known, but it gained prominence mainly during the 1930s. Over the years, many photographs have surfaced claiming to have captured the Loch Ness Monster, most famous of them being the surgeon's photograph. However, each one of them have been debunked as hoaxes over a period of time. There have been a few searches undertaken to prove its existence, but none have been known to provide conclusive evidence. With no evidence to prove the existence of the Loch Ness Monster, it is safe to say that this creature is part of an intriguing list of urban legends found across the globe. Number 2. The Water Babies Legend. This particular urban legend might not be known to the people outside of the United States. The Water Babies legend is basically part of the Native American folklore. The legend states that one particular year a famine took over the area around the western United States. There was tremendous shortage of food for the people living there. The mothers could not feed the young babies, hence the babies were drowned in the local rivers and lakes. Now, it is said that the babies' spirits have resided in those safe waters. These spirits are sometimes said to be only mischievous, while some say that those are murderous spirits who have grown to like the taste of human flesh. As most of you might know, just like any other legend, there is no concrete evidence supporting their existence. However, this particular story does lead to an interesting read for many. Number 1. The Black-Eyed Children. This one is a relatively modern urban legend. The Black-Eyed Children are mostly known to be paranormal creatures who are mostly in the form of children, aged between 6 to 16, with pale skin and completely black eyes. They are mostly seen around hitchhiking, around the quiet roads, or in some instances, knocking around the doors of houses at the odd hours of the night. The legend has known to have taken existence only during the 1980s. These innocent looking children ask the person to be let inside their car or houses. Many are of the opinion that these children are nothing more than the devil himself, and if you let them in, you are letting the devil enter your life. Many people report being overcome by dread the moment they see their completely black eyes. Some people also report seeing these children during their episodes of sleep paralysis. As vivid as these stories are, one might only hope to never have any kind of encounter with these black-eyed children.